I'm showing you, this is the house of the sister of my boss. What is it? It's nice. Very simple, but very nice. Classy. Oh, this is music room?
Ah, yan.
May kantahan ba?
May kantahan. Kakanta ka?
Yeah.
Maganda naman dito yung
Sige, sige. Oh, padahin. Oh, nasa...
Nandun lang sa kabila, kakabit lang yung dito.
Ay, huwag na eh.
Mamaya na lang.
Huwag na.
Mamaya ka.
Yan, oh, look at this. This is a music room. Look at this, the music. Oh, very nice. Look at this. Oh, and this one here.
Yan ang kwarto ni Bolen.
Yeah.
Wala namin tambakan. Pero hindi kami dito nakatira, tiga.
Yeah, but they're not staying here. I don't know why. They
Look
house
at
is
that.
nice. Because, you know, they're staying in the house of the mom of my boss, number, because she's taking care of the brothers. Kasi they have the, you know, nice. Look at this. I like it. Oh, I'm gonna show you how they're going to kill the pigs, huh? Later. That's why I'm here. How they kill the pig. This is the outside. That's my boyfriend. Hey, this is the outside. Look at this. This is the outside. Okay, I have to go back sa kay. Love you. Love you, love you. I miss you, my love. You know what? The old folks here. Oh my gosh, I thought that.
Ha?
No. Kasi gusto niya, wait, I had to end this. Kung ano niya, gusto